Welcome to Two Guys.
A girl.
And an MBA.
It seems like the size and weight of the three Gorges Dam in China leads to a change in the Earth's orbit. And it was in the report by Dr. Benjamin Fong Chow from NASA. And now we will have longer day. And it's a few minutes, but still, we know it's only the half of point of temperature can lead to some climate big changes. And now we have a longer day because it's a huge dam in China. And it's definitely a little bit shake the Earth. Physics make this rotation of the Earth longer. And it's our day is longer because it's like heavier. And yeah, this is it. It happens. And now it sounds like funny news. But it should be researched more deeply about climate science and see what the consequences for all of us. Longer day.
Yosef, I just want to know when the South Park episode is coming up. Blame everything on China. The Earth is wobbling. We've been displaced out of the solar system. It's China's fault. It's like, okay. South Park could do it.
The common refrain in South Park is blame Canada. They even have a song, right?
That's right. I know. I remember that.
But now you can blame China because it seems like the United States is not the only one that's affecting the climate. You have all this trillions of tons of water backed up at the dam, actually changing the shape of the Earth. It's like more round in the middle and flatter at the edges now, because it's so heavy, because of the change in water flows. It's nothing new. They dug the Panama Canal and that reversed the currents and caused all kind of untold ecological situations that I'm not qualified to speak on. But, that reversing the flow of the currents, among oceans, like definitely changed, some of the biology, I'm sure. Now it's warm here, now it's cold there. I don't know. I feel like the Earth is adaptive. And there's everyone talks about the planet and how the planet's going to settle. Like, the planet's going to be fine. It's us. It's humans. It's like we're the ones that, if we tinker too much, we'll screw up our own existence. It's a very narrow range for life here, between this and this temperature, and so forth. But then again, humans are very adaptive. You see Inuits and you see people where I am living in the desert, and it's, people find a way. Life finds a way. But yeah, it's crazy. Climate change.
When's Trump going to write an executive order about this? China, too much water. It's going to happen. It's going to hit his desk soon, and we're going to hear about it.
China will accumulate all this water, but if water is here, somewhere is not.
Yeah.
So it means some areas will be without the water.
Mm. Yeah, I think 1 million people either got displaced or moved out of this Three Gorges because it was a massive thing. I remember reading about it a while ago. So yeah, you're right. Like, so where's the water coming from? I think it's coming from, I don't know what the geography is, but somebody's not getting the water, right? Obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
It's called an externality in economics. That's what it's called, externality, yes. Which, the U.S. has an analog to this. I think, what was it, the Yangtze River or one of those? It was like one of those huge rivers that serves millions of people. This
is dam on this Yangtze River.
Yeah,
Yangtze,
okay.
yeah.
It's like one of the original rivers that civilization came up around or something. But the United States did the same thing with the Colorado River, I think. They, because Los Angeles is not... there's no natural source of water. It was uninhabited for decades and hundreds of years. And that's why the gold rush didn't happen in LA. It happened in San Francisco, right? Mm-hmm. Nobody who lived in LA. It was just barren because there's no water. Well, Mulholland, now there's Mulholland Drive, he spearheaded the damming of the Colorado River and diverted the Colorado River to Los Angeles, and to this day, it still is the main water source for the city, and to the detriment of the many people downriver in Mexico. They'd toss pollutants in there. The water flow is constricted, so all the people down in Mexico and further down are suffering at the hands of this externality, while Los Angeles is the second largest city in America, right? So
Interesting. It gave us Hollywood. Without this damn thing, we wouldn't even have Hollywood. P. Diddy would be out of jail. There'd be everybody would be singing.
And where would we be without Hollywood?
Where would we be?
Heal the world. Get rid of Hollywood.
City of Lights.
Interesting.
Anyway, a question about Kuwait. You also don't have much water. How it's handled there? So do you have like a fake river or what?
In Kuwait, they have large desalination plants. So they have these huge facilities where they take seawater and they basically take the salt out of it to make it drinking water. They also import a ton of water. So yeah, it just, and they have some wells, but it's funny enough, we have more problems here with electricity than we do with water. The water is always fine and the quality is fine. It's the rolling blackouts, once a quarter that, are more of an issue in Kuwait due to the high heat, and so people are using a lot of air conditioning.
I got it.
You have a lot of blackouts,
Good, but can you use solar energy?
Yeah, you could. You sure could.
But
I mean, they're having trouble paving the roads here. It's things are not functional in the way that they are in the West. You don't have organization and manpower.
you don't have Elon Musk. They have solar company. He will come to you with his technology.
Elon Musk paving your roads and making your babies one brick at a time.
Oh boy.
Please consider subscribing below.
Thank you for being with us. Please leave your comments, feedback, what you think about us, and see you in the next podcast. Bye.